Hello everyone. Finally, we have the summary of series resonance and parallel resonance. We have completed the concepts of series resonance and parallel resonance successfully. Therefore, we will do the summary of these two concepts. Okay. So, this section is what series resonance section and this section is what parallel resonance section. So, first observation is what impedance. In series resonance, what is the value of impedance? Impedance is what? Minimum, right? Impedance is what? Minimum. Like that, what about admittance? Admittance is what? Maximum. Clear? Next, what about current? Current in the series RLC circuit. Current is, impedance is minimum, therefore, current is maximum. Therefore, this circuit can be called as acceptor circuit. Why it is called as acceptor circuit? The current is maximum. So, impedance, admittance, current, then what about net reactance? Net reactance, that is X net, which is equals to 0, that is XL is equals to XE. From this, what we have? Impedance is equals to R, right? Fifth point, power factor is unity power factor, that is UPF. UPF. Clear? Next, sixth one, at resonant frequency Z is equals to R, at seventh one, half power frequency Z is equals to root 2 R, right? At resonant frequency Z is equals to R, at half power frequency Z is equals to root 2 R. So, power factor is completed, UPF. Next we have what? Eighth point, magnitudes of supply voltage should be equals to what? Voltage across resistor only, right? And the angle between, you can write, and angle between Vs and here should be equals to 0 degrees, right? 0 degrees. Both are in phase. Next, ninth point, magnitudes of Vc and Vl are equal, right? Then only we have resonance, and they are 180 degrees out of phase with each other. If we have any confusion, go through the phasor diagram of case 3, series resonance case 3. Under sinusoidal steady state analysis, go through case 3 phasor diagram. These two magnitudes are equals, these two magnitudes are equals, that is Vc is equals to Vl, and angle of Vc and Vl should be equals to 180 degrees. That is here I am providing. This is V, right? This is IR, this is IC, sorry, this is current, this is VR, this is VL, this is VC, right? See, VC should be equals to VL, this is the point. What is the phase angle between these two? 180 degrees, right? between VL and I is 90, I and VC is 90. Therefore, both magnitudes of VL and VC are equal, but they are out of phase with each other. Means what? Out of phase means what? VL is like this, VC is like this. That's why they named as out of phase. In phase means what? I is like this, voltage across resistor is nothing but in phase, like this. Both are is like this in phase, both are is like this out of phase. Clear? Then what about Vs and Vr? See, Vr is like this, both are cancelled each other, therefore obviously Vs should be equals to what? Vs, in phase with each other. Okay? Magnitudes of Vs should be equals to Vr, angle at an angle, Vs at an angle Vr should be equals to 0, means what? In phase. Clear? Okay. First we have to complete up to this, for this also. Here what is the value of impedance? Here we are dealing with parallel resonance. Admittance is minimum, therefore impedance is what? Maximum. Right? Second point, what about admittance? Admittance is what? Minimum. Clear. Third point, current. What about current? Current is minimum or maximum? Impedance is maximum, current is minimum. Therefore, current minimum means what? It acts as what? A resistor circuit. Next, fourth point, net susceptance. Here we have provided net susceptance, that is B net should be equals to 0. Therefore, BC is equals to, that is BC is equals to BL, which means what? Y is equals to 1 by R, which is equals to Z only, right? See, at this condition power factor is what? Unity. Like this also we are having power factor is unity, that is cos phi is equals to 1. Okay? Cos phi is equals to 1. Under any resonance, the power factor is equals to unity by default. Next, sixth one, at resonant frequency, Y is equals to 1 by R only. Seventh one, at half power frequency, Y is equals to root 2 by R, right? Root 2 by, that's it. Completed, this part completed, this part completed. Next, eighth point, magnitudes of currents, right? Magnitude of source current, first we have to write IC should be equals to IL and can write and angle of IL and IC should be equals to what? 180 degrees. Magnitudes of IC and IL are equal and they are out of phase with 180 degrees. Next, ninth point. Okay, here no problem at all. Magnitude of source current should be equals to current through the resistor and the angle between source current and IR should be equals to what? 0 degrees. That's it. Okay. Can write out of phase by 180 degrees, in phase with 0 degrees. Clear? So, completed. Next, 10th point, after this we have the Q factor, that is Q factor is equals to omega r into L by R, which is equals to 1 by omega r into CR. right? Under resonance both are equal, which can be equals to what? VL by V, which is equals to what? VC by P, right? Therefore, in this case, Q factor is called as what? Voltage magnification factor. Or you can write, then Q factor is equals to voltage magnification factor in case of series resonance circuit. Q factor completed. Next, 11th point, bandwidth, right? Bandwidth is equals to R by L, that is you can write higher cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency equals to R by L, or you can say bandwidth is equals to R by 2 pi L, R by 2 pi L. This is hertz, this is radians per second. Next, 12th point, relation between Q factor and which is equals to, sorry, we can write, okay, no problem, resonant frequency by bandwidth, which is equals to resonance frequency by upper cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency, which is equals to square root of by, that's it, clear? Quality factor always inversely proportional to bandwidth, completed. Up to this we can complete here. 10th point is what? Quality factor is equals to, here we have what? Which is equals to omega R C R, which is equals to I C by I, which is equals to I L by I. So, in this case, quality factor can be called as current magnification factor, completed. Next, 11th one is what? Bandwidth. Which is equals to upper cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency is equals to 1 by R C, right? Or you can say 1 by 2 pi R C. Sorry, we forgot resonant frequency, right? We forgot resonant frequency. Okay, no problem. This is radians per second, this is hertz. Now we can write resonant frequency 13. Omega R is equals to 1 by square root of L C, radians per second, or F R is equals to 1 by 2 pi root L C hertz. Like this, here also 12th point is what? Quality factor is equals to same, which is equals to upper cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency, which is equals to by that's it. 13th one, resonant frequency, which is equals to 1 by radians per second, like that F R is equals to 1 by 2 pi root L C hertz, right? Next, 14th observation from this series resonance, that is upper cutoff frequency or higher cutoff frequency is nothing but R by 2L square root of R by 2L whole square plus 1 by LC radians. Just in case of hertz, you have to multiply it with what? 1 by 2 pi, that is it. Okay. Here I am providing with respect to radians per second only. So, next, like that, 15th observation, lower cutoff frequency is what? Minus R by 2L plus square root of R by 2L whole square plus 1 by LC radians per second. For example, if we have just 1 by 2 pi in case of this part, okay, like that 1 by 2 pi this part we can have hertz, okay. So, like this you have to write. So, coming to this 14th observation, that is here also we have 1 by 2 RC plus square root of 1 by 2 RC whole square plus 1 by LC radians per second. Like that, 15th one, lower cutoff frequency minus 1 by 2 RC plus 1 by 2 RC whole square plus 1 by LC radians per second. Clear? Next, 16th one, the frequency at which VC max, which is equals to what? Square root of 1 by LC minus 1 by 2 R by L whole square, right? Like that, 17th one, the frequency at which VL max, which is equals to 1 by square root of LC minus 1 by 2 RC whole square, that is it. Now, 16th one for this, the frequency at which IC max, which is equals to, you will consider this 1 by square root of LC minus 1 by 2, then here we have R by L whole square. Just in case of parallel, opposite to this, reciprocal of this, that is L by R whole square radians per second. Next, 17th one, the frequency at which IL max, which is equals to this 1 by LC minus 1 by 2 into 1 by, here we have RC square, now we have 1 by RC square, that is it, radians per second. These are the very important summary for series resonance as well as parallel resonance circuits.